Good morning, children. In class 10 geography, topographical map, today we will learn about drainage patterns and settlement patterns. Two features denote on topographical sheet: interpretation of topographical map, drainage pattern and settlement pattern. First, drainage pattern. Meaning of drainage pattern: the pattern formed by a streams and its tributaries is called drainage pattern, and an area drainage by river and its tributaries is drainage basin. So drainage pattern formed by mainly streams like main rivers and its tributaries. Now, types of pattern, types of drainage pattern. There are three types of drainage pattern found on the topographical map: the dendritic drainage pattern, the tree-like drainage pattern, and the radial drainage pattern. First, dendritic drainage pattern. Dendritic drainage pattern come for all direction, and the many small streams, many small tributaries meet to a main rivers like the branches of the tree is called dendritic drainage pattern. Clear? Next, second, tree-like drainage pattern. Tree-like drainage pattern, many small streams or tributaries join parallel to each other and meet to a main rivers at a right angle. Meet to a main river at a right angle is called tree-like drainage pattern. Third, radial drainage pattern. Radial drainage pattern where highland. Many streams or many rivers originate from highlands in all direction or meet in all direction from the central point. The central point is called highland. So many streams flow from central point in all direction is called radial drainage pattern. Therefore, on the map, identification of drainage pattern: tree-like drainage pattern, dendritic drainage pattern, and radial drainage pattern. Clear? Next topic, settlement pattern. Settlement patterns. Meaning of settlement patterns: a cluster of inhabited houses may be rural or urban. A cluster of houses, a cluster of inhabited houses may be rural and urban. There are two types of settlement: rural settlement and urban settlement. The houses built in village or rural areas is called rural settlement, and the houses built in urban towns, cities is called urban settlement. So, settlement pattern found on the map. There are three patterns. There are three settlement patterns found on the map. First, compact settlements. Second, dispersed settlement. And third, linear settlement. First, compact settlement, where houses built very close to each other. The houses built very close to each other is called compact settlement. In this pattern, found where hospitals, police station, post office, schools, and administrative centers or headquarters. Clear? Second, dispersed settlement, when houses built away from each other. When houses built away from each other is called dispersed settlement. It is also called a scattered settlement. This settlement found in plateau region, forest, or hills regions. Third, linear settlement. The houses built along the roads, canals, and railway lines. Roads, canal, and railway lines is called linear settlements. Clear? So mainly three settlements found on the topographical map to help us interpretation of topographical map. Clear? Now write down homework. First, what is drainage pattern and settlement pattern? Second, define dendritic or radial pattern and the compact and the linear settlement. Thanks for a nice day.